Hello, in this video I'm going to talk about how to show Wi-Fi password on any Android phone. Simply go in settings, connections, Wi-Fi. Here you can see setting icon is showing, tap on settings. In my Android phone password is showing here, but in a lot of Android phone password is not showing. Then tap on QR code. Simply take the screenshot of this QR code or save as image. Now my QR code is saved in my gallery. Let's check it out. As you can see, my QR code is saved in my gallery. Now tap on share. Select the Google Photos from here. Tap on upload. Now let's go in Google Photos. Here you can see lens option. Tap on it. Simply scroll down. Here you can see network name, password and network type is showing. So this is how you can see Wi-Fi password on any Android phone. If this video helps you, like this video and subscribe the channel.